Hello students, today we are going to start a structure and functions of component of cells. In last two sessions, in 6th and 7th, we have already discussed regarding structures and cell organelles of animal as well as plant cells in brief. But here, one by one, we have to discuss the respective cell organelles or the component of the cells. Normally, in both the cases, in animal as well as in plant cells, most of the components, most of the cell organelles are found, except certain cell organelles, like centrosome. Centrosomes are only found in animal cell. They are not found in plant cells, as we have already discussed. Similarly, the cell wall. Cell wall is only found in plant cells. Bacteria is the exception. Actually, bacteria are the member of animal kingdom. But in bacteria, a thick cell wall is found. Bacteria are exception. And another cell organelle, that is the plastid. Plastids are only found in plant cells. In last session, we have already discussed regarding these differences between animal as well as plant cell. But here, we have to discuss individual components, individual cell organelles. Firstly, we will start regarding cell membrane. Cell membrane is also called as plasma membrane. Sometimes it is also called as plasma lemma. In the case of animal cell, it is the outermost protective layer. But in the case of plant cell, it is not the outermost. It is the second outermost. Firstly, we will discuss a structure of cell membrane. Cell membrane is thin, delicate, outermost, electron microscopic layer of the cells. It is made up of two types of materials, lipid and protein molecules. There were two scientists, namely Singer and Nicholson, who in 1972 suggested fluid mosaic model regarding a structural model of cell membrane. According to them, two types of protein molecules used to float in double layer of phospholipid. They called those two types of protein molecules as intrinsic protein molecules and extrinsic protein molecules. The intrinsic protein molecules covers the complete span of double layer of lipid. But this extensive protein molecules are found on the outer surface of this double layer of phospholipid. This is the overall structure of cell membrane. Now, one more important point we should know. This layer serves as a selective permeable membrane. Why? Why it is called selective permeable membrane? Because by the process of osmosis is a process of diffusion actually. And in this process, the cell membrane serves as a selective permeable membrane because it only allows to pass inside the cell or to allow or not allow to go outside or not go outside the certain materials, water and certain solutes. Thus, this layer maintains the composition of the cytoplasm. This is the very important function of this layer, that is the cell membrane. Now we will discuss regarding cell wall.